First start it. Let's see. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are on the way to Florida because in this video, I'm gonna tell you where, I can't find my keys, where we're going. We are going, as you can see, I'm traveling with my family. We are headed to Miami, specifically Miramar, because we're gonna take this bad boy here, my Road Glide. Let me open it up here. Right here, you see, it's right here. We're gonna get a whole new big old engine and everything done. Let me close this door here. And the reason we're going to Miramar is because we're going to All American Cycle, because they're the ones that are gonna do all of my engine work, chain drive kit, powertrain, everything. And that's what's in this trailer here. And obviously I got the fam going on right over here. So we're all going, we're making a vacation out of it. Where are we on the side of the road? I don't know exactly, but we are in Louisiana, I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna start this truck up so they don't burn up. And come along with us because we are going to go to All American Cycle. We got onto the road, enjoyed some nice views, and it was very nice that I had my camera inside my trailer so I can always keep an eye on my motorcycle. We crossed into Florida, pulled over there, and took some pictures and some videos with the family because I've always wanted to do that with my family, because usually when I'm by there, I'm with my biker buddies. Good morning. It is 4:32 in the morning here on, what is this, June 19th. And we parked the truck here because we got here late at night. We got here probably like around, what, 10 o'clock at about 10:30 last night, and fell asleep and then woke up. But as you can see, everything is good with the vehicles here. You can't see my wife, but can we get a morning shake? Can we get a morning shake? But yeah, I basically jackknifed the truck because this was the only parking spot, which, you know, learning of traveling with the trailer, it was just the only spot or the only way I could park it. So I'm just gonna take a right here and go on that way. So today, the next stop is gonna be with George at All American Cycle with all of their crew. So we're excited. Come on board as we travel with my family to to essentially Miramar, Miami from Houston, Texas as a family. So we're gonna count how many potty breaks we're gonna go there, but actually on second thought, we're not gonna do that because my 3-year-old is actually potty training as we speak. So it's fun, but we're gonna do it, right? What's up, man?
Back so soon?
I couldn't be away, man. Good seeing you, brother. Oh, it's so good, man. It's my little girl, man. She's the camera woman. This is Alan, my little girl. Hey, man. How's everything, dude?
Good, bro. Busy, hot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Especially humid, so it's hot and wet.
I know, dude. Yeah, dude. All right, man. We here, man. What's up, brother? All right, so what do we got? Well, just right here. This is it right here?
Yeah, it's your long block. Fully assembled, and everything that's missing is on your bike now.
Okay.
So we're gonna put your bike up on this lift. We're gonna, you know, take it apart and start passing over the parts here. Then drop it into your bike, doing your chain drive, your air filter, your exhaust.
Damn, dude, this is ported, bro.
Yeah, that's
ported.
Yeah, that's port matched to
Look
your
at that.
head. We got the 2-inch exhaust port for the custom exhaust.
I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick. All right, we're walking here because I gotta get my keys here, and I'm gonna show these gentlemen what the bike looks like. What do you guys think so far?
It's beautiful, bro. It's really nice. Serious. Wow.
All right, gentlemen.
Well, he goes and he gets off the line on me because I'm like, still waving.
All righty. Here it is, first time in Florida.
Second, third. Like, I didn't.
First time in Florida.
Dude, I passed him when he was timing.
Yes. Here you go. For All American Cycle to do their magic, man. Thank you, cameraman. Alex over here from PA in the house. What do you think, man?
Let's get it out of here.
Okay, it has an exhaust leak, so it's not gonna sound good. I got it, okay, boy. Woo, baby! Oh my goodness. It's the first time I see it in the sun like this.
No, they did it. They killed it. Eso vino así de factoría. Ah, la verdad. Es un CVO. No. Tiene más pintura que any CVO.
Damn, dude.
Look at that. That's nice.
And all over from PA, dude.
It is beautiful, man. That bike is just insane.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I can't wait to see the motor done to it. And
Well, my motor's right there.
Ah,
It's right there.
these guys get down, man. They're different down here.
Yeah, because you got your build here.
It's different. It's different.
Go ahead. Look, guys, I have, what, 10 minutes here? And it's already getting put on the lift. It's already getting on the lift, guys. Look at that. Already.
I see one bike on me today.
Look at this.
Yeah, right.
Yo. Here it is on the lift. Come on. Again, they are on it. Just look at the flake. I hope it came out with the video. The bags are here. They're taking care of all my stuff. Everything's perfect. And then, well, there it is. Just within minutes, it's taken apart. And like I said, we're gonna get a big boy. It's gonna be a lot of power. Then it's gonna come into the Dyno Hall of Fame in here. That's actually a good name, the Hall of Fame Dyno. And then pick it up in a few days, break it in, and then bring it back for the dyno, and then that's it, guys. But we're gonna be rolling down the street with this. George is working on his race bike over there. I don't know what it has, but his tire shop is vibrating. Insane. My boy Wildfree showed up. Alex's bike from PA. Man, look at that. Got here to our place while we are here in the I guess Miami area, and it's a beautiful place. We got a nice little bar here, entrance here, rooms are over there. Family's already about to eat, and we got this. So this is where we'll be for about a week or so, and nice outside place, and this is our home away from home. Once we settled in, we ate some pollo tropical, and I taught my youngest how to swim, so it was a good time. After that, I headed over to bike night. Well, guys, I pulled up for bike night, but there's the Popo down the road, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Here is the fastest CVO from George, the owner of All American Cycle, man. Carbon wheels and everything, nicely set up. I think it only has a 117 in it, but it gets it, man. It's the fastest CVO and stuff. And then all these guys, man, they're all hitters, man. All these dudes here. Look, even this here, right here. Baja lights up in here. I mean, man, they're all a little bit of silver leaf over there. And yeah, man, they're just getting it, dude. So, but I'm not gonna record much here anymore because I gotta get home because unfortunately my oldest daughter got a little sick. So, all right, everyone, we are here at All American Cycle. Let me get this camera going here. And they're dropping me off because they're gonna go do some stuff. And my youngest was asleep, so. I'm gonna kind of get in the way. I don't know if I'm showing installing the bike or not, but they're in the middle of installing the engine. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to reveal the engine size and horsepower. I'm gonna tell you guys everything. So if you guys want the exact same motorcycle, you can get it. And so you guys can see we got an SNS case all over the place, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about that. Look at that. And here's the old motor right here. I just wanted to point out that the attention to detail that All American Cycle and their crew have is just phenomenal. So normally these come with like chrome from the factory, at least for the CVO models, or just kind of satin for the regular bagger models or Harleys. But what they did is they have the special piece with a special texture that they had to make this match my cases. That is the CVO kind of granite color, and they hit it out of the park. Their attention to detail overall is cool. And then I'm going to move on from there, and I just want to take a special moment to thank Bamco Motorsports. They are helping me with this build, and Ryan over there, I want to tell you guys thank you very much, because this is the stuff that we're getting on. So if you want these same bolts for your build, you absolutely can have them as well. And I also want to thank Connor Maxford for joining the build. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I'm in the middle of my build. It's behind this door here. Nonetheless, my boy Alex is right there. He comes out right here from Pennsylvania. He's actually here today again because yesterday, unfortunately, he had a little accident. But I'm sharing the story with you because All American, around 6 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday, after they were notified of what happened, he's like 100 miles away. They went over there, picked him up, and they brought him back. And what happened was, it was raining. He got caught in the rain. He tried to pull over to a gas station and seek some shelter. Unfortunately, the water was just kind of all over the place, and there was a crater he didn't see because the water was over it. He went and he cracked his rim in the middle and bent the wheel. All American Cycle went, picked him up, came back over here, and they took care of him. So I just want to share that with you because that just shows the caliber of customer service and people that this shop here, All American Cycle, has. First startup. Let's see. Guys, you can feel the compression all the way over here. Continuing on with the build, man. They're doing